Hi, welcome to Contact Recruitment's Vidcast. We're actually trying to help our clients to give you a bit of an insight into the industry and where the market's going, and we're trying to hopefully provide you with a bit more information as to what the industry is doing. We've seen a very cautious approach this year to our bank's hiring plans. As you can imagine, as we expect, many of our clients have been very cautious about their hiring and even justifying rehiring with large business cases. The fixed income, prime brokerage and credit areas have all been very badly affected, as you can imagine, and actually large restructuring has resulted in many candidates, many people losing their jobs. The large off-balance sheet banks, as I call them, the US-style bank, largely US-style banks, have all really suffered as a result of this credit crunch. And actually, that's been reflected in their hiring plans, as actually a lot more clients take a very cautionary approach and often a holding approach in terms of their recruitment. The more classic conservative banks, which a year and a half ago were not considered particularly sexy, have come out in a much stronger way as they have large cash reserves and actually look to seek talent and take advantage of what has been a very choppy market. The area where we've seen incredible growth and an area where we are continue to find a shortage of candidates has been in our product control area. Many of our clients look now for strong product controllers, people with strong experience of looking at the risk assessment, managing that, and actually that has been a very difficult area to recruit for. Rates have gone up tenfold, and a product controller that was earning £30 an hour last year is now earning £600 a day. On the IT side and the technology piece, risk control continues to stay busy. We're seeing a large increase in numbers in that area as many of the banks look to ramp up their numbers in that area. The outsourcing and consultancy piece continues to stay very strong, and in fact, in quarter one, our job flow has largely been around projects, system implementations, and a decrease in the level of quality, largely around the focus of increased efficiency. Let's get people in, let's get the systems better, and let's improve things. Recent press releases have also shown that a large number of our tech jobs are now being placed overseas. I think a trend that we see continuing going into 2008. So the customary note is caution. Clients are very careful about what they hire and when they hire. Our interim and contract business has also been not seeing the exponential growth that we typically see in markets where the turbulent times occur, because clients are looking to cut costs in every situation as revenue streams continue to be challenging. We have a support services business and an accountancy recruitment business, King & Tobin and Contact Accountancy. They have both seen very strong results in the last 6 months. Numbers over the last quarter have been very positive, as I think what I call the tentacles of the subprime have still not really hit the economy, and I hope that they won't. We really are on a knife edge in this world at the moment, I believe. I believe if employment continues to stay strong, or at least cautionary, where people aren't losing their jobs on a whole-scale basis, I think we're going to stay in a cautionary positive note. However, if things go negatively and large redundancies occur in a lot of houses, then I think we could see things get a lot uglier. In our Asia business, finally, just to finish up, it has been very positive. We've seen 150% growth in Singapore and in India. It's been a fantastic quarter, as many of the countries predict double-digit growth in GDP forecast for this year. So I think we're in a very exciting time in Asia. The UK is going to be customary and cautionary, but I believe that the opportunities that we have in the UK are still very strong. I think we're going to enter a period of caution, but it will be positive, and I think people will hold their employment, people will stay strong, and I think we will see an easing and a careful 2008 and hopefully a slow but positive 2009, which will increase and strengthen as we go into the end of the year of 2009. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.